When evaluating Judge Sotomayor's nomination, I believe senators should consider what kind of justice she will be. Will she be in the mold of these activists who have gutted legislation designed to protect Americans from discrimination in their jobs and in voting? Or gutting laws meant to protect the access of Americans to health care and education? Or laws meant to protect the privacy of all Americans from an overreaching government? I think not, and I hope not. And the reason I think not and hope not, Mr. President, because I've looked at what kind of a judge she's been for 17 years. And that's not the kind of judge she's been for 17 years. And keep in mind, this is a nominee who has had more experience on the federal court, than any nominee to the Supreme Court in decades. And what we see is that she's applied the laws of the facts in the cases she's considered. She's done that while understanding the impact of her decisions on those before the court.
Activism is a tendency in a judge to allow their personal and political views and values to override the law and the facts of a case to achieve a result they think is desirable. That's what is not acceptable in our system. So I think that's why at the most fundamental level, many have a problem with this nominee. It seems clear from her writings and speeches that she is a devotee of the new philosophy of judging. Her speeches over the years are quite clear on this matter, although her hearing testimony backtracked from it in a somewhat confusing manner. Regretfully, I was not able to support a nomination in committee, nor will I support a nomination before the full Senate.